Hi, hope all is well. Here today we'll show you OXXO payment integration with Zoho Books. So in this video, we'll show you how we can generate the OXXO voucher ID and how we can send to a customer. Okay. So we will use the Stripe OXXO payment integration API, and this will actually integrate with our Zoho invoice, and that can generate the OXXO payment voucher and that can be sent to respective customer. Also, is something a Mexican chain of convenience stores that has thousands of locations across Latin America and Mexico. So also allows customer to pay bills and online transaction in store with cash. Okay. This is the something the benefits that also payments in. So so let me here. We have an invoice. This is the invoice here. This is 305 sandpaper. This should be always Mexican currency again. Then we have a button here that is going to generate based on API. Once you click on here, this actually generate also payment voucher here. Okay, so you'll be able to see the also URL here, and this is also voucher URL. Okay, and now you can send this to our customer. You can send this to we will default on this one. Okay, and this is send. So let me check my mail here. Okay, here I receive an email here. You can click on this one to see the voucher and respective details how you can pay in this one. Okay, let's click on this. Okay, here is the URL payment. This is actually generated from the Stripe online URL here, and this you can print this and bring this to the respect nearest convenience store, and you can pay this here. Okay, so let me go back to again. Here is actually custom function that has been written in Deleuze custom function here. This one, so on, so on. Okay. So if you need any help to integrate your also payment gateway with your Zoho Books, please contact with us. Thank you so much.